Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, August the 10th, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary, but it's now time for the binary. Number 4994. 4994. 4994 and 4994. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a column, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's or 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. 4 O's we have here in this row. So the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then we, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, then we need to think. We have 1 column here. 1 column. Double 1, no. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, completed rows. But how about this? Yeah, this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1. Sorry, again. 1, 1, 1, 1. Empty box. 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. And between 2 1's comes an O. We have here 3 1's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 4 minutes. Yes. Only 1 time comparing. And I like this one. Yes. Very quick to solve. And if I can solve it, you can solve it too. Thank you for watching. If you like this, 2 thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.